You able to just fill us in, give us a little bit more idea of what you've been doing within the startup programs and how that's gone?
Yes, so we are involved in multiple external programs, and as well we have our own program. So externally, we have a collaboration with Meta, Hugging Face, HEC, where we share a startup program to help European AI companies within a program where each one of us will give them resources. So for us, it's obvious. It's our AI GPU power. You're going to have Meta giving them the knowledge and the internal human resources to build their algorithm. And of course, Hugging Face, that comes with the name, and HEC will be their incubator. And we have another program that we share with NVIDIA because we are a favorite partner of NVIDIA. So we have our startup program together. It's called Inception that we share, and we help startups again, only with credits, but with a true proximity, and they have people to ask questions and to see the future after the credits. And that's the same thing we do with our internal program. But the worst thing for a startup will be the cost at the end of a program. So you don't want startups to go from one program to another program and do like 5 logos within like 5 years. You want to commit them into having the right behavior of consumption. And so with our program, we have our startup program and we have our alumni program. So when they leave the startup program, they get to another program where they have more education on how to consume, how to understand their bill at the end of the month and the end of the year when it comes to public cloud or the GPUs. So we want to ensure that we help them because at some point they're going to be a scale-up. And you want to make sure that they manage everything, their FinOps, but as well around the way that they consume, not only for the planet we were saying, but to make sure that they are sustainable throughout the years.
That's really good. I think, obviously I deal with a lot of startups from one person bands to, 10, 20, 30 people. And often the CEO is an engineer. So having that sort of mentorship, that you can talk about the consumption, just that sort of business advisory piece, isn't it, really, to help them on that journey? Because they're not only doing something new as a startup, but they're doing something new for themselves and going on a journey that they've never done before.